Alright, y'all. That's gonna be the end of the vlog. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
You're not ending the
Right, he ain't even started.
Don't try to take them drawers off.
I need to get my hair thing. Let me wash it. Cause I ain't got
Trying to take them drawers off. But what up, kings, queens, prince, and princesses? I ain't even gonna say it. I'm sorry. Bye. Peace. See y'all tomorrow. Look at this. Oh my goodness. That just.
Oh my God.
Scrumptious. Nah. What up, kings, queens, prince, and princesses? Welcome to another day of vlogging. What up, guys? We all chilling. I decided to make a big family dinner.
I ain't even I'm not even gonna feed into your foolishness.
Nah, but I've been having taste for this, and then I'm like, it'll last for quite a few days. So she made some macaroni, some baked beans in the oven, right there.
I know y'all tired of hearing about that meat.
And then cornbread, macaroni done.
cornbread for me.
And then I'm about to go out here on the grill this chicken and sausage and hamburgers. So we're gonna bring y'all along with us. Where's you going?
Right here. Get off my face. You so, I put this raw sausage on you.
What you doing?
Nothing.
Who cooked the cornbread?
I was helping make the beans.
Yeah, she be making some nasty cornbread that I don't like. Dominique love it. You like that nasty cornbread?
I don't even eat cornbread.
Yeah, I tried that. I won't try it again.
I don't eat cornbread, so I never even tried it. What tell you if I never even tried cornbread? Every time it's always at our family functions, but I never tried it because I just didn't try it.
Yeah, I eat cornbread, but
I don't eat the other.
It's a new kind I seen a coupon to get. It's a new kind of cornbread I seen a coupon to get, and I should keep doing it. And I said, let me try it, and then he tried it. He said it tastes too grainy.
yeah.
He loved it though, so.
And Davion in there sleep. He took a nap. He was in there making trio forks, as he said. Tri-forks.
So you for the pack these, go pack. I did everything else. At least you could pack the burgers and go cook them. Pack. Everything all together for you. Yeah, and you can just close this up. Look, this is what you can do. Close this up. Put the burgers, sit them right there. Everything can go out on the same pan. Nothing is touching. You're gonna need another pan or you gonna clean this out there.
I'm gonna need another one.
Don't throw this pan away.
I am.
No, that's wasting pans. I can clean that.
Who cooking? Well, who grilling?
It don't matter.
Okay.
Who buying?
Do I tell you how to make your macaroni and all that stuff?
But I'm not being wasteful.
I ain't.
I ain't buying extra macaroni. I mean cheese and just cut it and just throw it in the garbage.
Mommy, use her cheese.
Tell them. What all you need? You can get your own stuff. Cause you aggravating me. You. Here, get your own stuff together.
Ooh, whoa. Y'all see what? Okay.
You should have been aggravated.
You want to play? She done started something over my stomach now.
That's what you get. This yours.
You better not ever do that no more.
Stop bothering me.
They ain't cause for you to do
You
that.
in a pain. I put you in pain.
All right.
And I didn't even hit you hard.
It don't matter. That hurt.
What? I hit your thigh.
Whatever.
I barely hit you. Hey, stop. Stop it. Put the cream back in the pie.
All right.
Put the cream back in.
Y'all hear this? When I do her, I don't want to hear her whining. Oh, Cause she like the wine. That her. Yes, she do.
No, I do not.
Whatever. You be whining. Yes, you do. And she definitely be whining.
I do not. I'm a G.
Whatever.
I'm a G. I don't whine.
You better go on.
Daddy do.
You better not do that no more either. All right. That be all right.
You said bob and weave.
Whatever. As soon as I catch contact, I don't want to hear nothing. Nothing.
I'm
Go.
not touching you.
You
You
better-
might be in school. I'm not touching you.
Wait, Daddy used to do that at school?
Yeah, he used to be so aggravating.
He used to do that to you?
Yeah, he used to go like this, look. Ooh, something about I'm not touching you. That's aggravating. I'm not touching you. That's the type of person your daddy is. I ain't gonna say was, is.
Who?
Does Daddy still do that?
Y'all see what I got to go through over here?
Which grade used to do that?
What is that?
Mom?
Oh, from the first off.
Which grade do Daddy used
But
to
let
do
me go
that?
down here and make this chicken. I'm
You ain't know making chicken.
You
what I'm making.
Me?
Me? No.
Put me on that grill, flip me over here.
Move.
Take a
See
bite
what
out.
I gotta deal with? You see what I gotta deal with? Who deal with the most? Me or your mama? No, she don't.
Right.
No,
Right.
she don't.
Right.
No, she don't.
She have to cook you food.
Nah, no, she don't. I do everything. I
And you
cook,
don't cook
clean,
yourself?
all that.
You don't even give her food when she give you food.
Pound it. I ain't say knock on it. I said pound it.
I'll see y'all in a bit. I'm gonna go down there. Y'all know I be grilling and grilling and grilling, and my food be looking good and good and good. Don't know.
John, you don't. Oh, you talking about the grilling food? Yeah, that be good. But I thought you talking about like other food. You got something white right here on your hair. Looking like a caveman. Haircut.
Daddy.
I ain't never getting no haircut
Haircut.
or shave. You gonna wake him up, and then
He'll be going back to sleep at 9 o'clock.
whatever, and then when you go to sleep, I'm gonna wake you up.
Daddy, just
He wake me up when I'm asleep.
Daddy,
Last night,
show
y'all
them
in the
your
bed.
setup.
Hmm.
Show them your setup.
They already seen it.
This need to go to the trash too.
Ooh.
Dad.
I asked. Wait, don't pull no more.
When asking your son to help you season the meat goes wrong. Look at all this seasoning. You can use that on all the meat.
No, I like a lot of seasoning.
But that's a lot. Look all that seasoning in there.
I'ma use it.
The meat. You know, why you shook all that seasoning in there?
I did not know to shake it off.
Look at all this seasoning. That's too much seasoning. That junk gonna be so salty.
No, it ain't. It's gonna be seasoned good. I was gonna put a lot, but not that much.
Shoot, he put the whole bottle. Yeah, can I use all my seasoning? Yeah, I told you can use it from.
Well, let me use it. I just cleaned it off. Since y'all enjoyed that Kool-Aid video so much, I'ma do that and make the burgers. I'm gonna show y'all how I make my burgers.
And
Now, if you
Daddy,
out there screaming, them people gonna be go out there. I ain't going out there with you.
Why?
Daddy.
Yes.
So,
And don't be adding all that seasoning to my chicken, trying to make it seem like Tierra made salted chicken.
so Daddy can't.
Ain't nobody even tell you to do that. I should make you cook that chicken.
It's good chicken.
Whatever.
I bet that chicken.
That ain't my seasoning.
It don't matter. I was trying to. Okay, I guarantee I'll help you next time.
When did I ever ask you to help me?
I was just being nice, but I won't be nice no more.
She trying to sabotage my chicken
Daddy.
so it don't turn
I
out
won't be
good.
nice no more.
Oh, you need it.
I won't be nice no. Hey, y'all, I ain't being nice no more.
I don't even know what's all in that.
I'm finna be sour.
You always
sour
sour.
puss.
You always sour.
A sourpuss.
I put
No
another
more
seasoning on
sweetness.
here too.
No more sweetness. Sour. From here on out.
You always be sour. Don't let
Them
that.
toes sour. Oh, look at them toes. Oh, toe cam. Them things is sour. Oh, yes. They need some low shit. Whoa. Oh, baby. Look at them legs. Look at them scratch marks. He just so ashy. This is so embarrassing.
What?
And he going out the door like this?
Daddy.
I had to fight all my life. Oh, keep on walking. Keep on walking till I can't no more. Ooh. Ooh. You walked on coals with these mugs. Ooh, you know how when your grandma stick your foot in the, ooh, you don't want these things in your foot. Don't stick your foot in them burgers.
I'm just waiting on her because she always be telling me, "Oh, don't put that in the video. Don't put that in the video. Watch, cause I be editing the videos.
I'm so tickled.
What? I'm gonna be tickled too. Oh, don't put that in the video. We gonna see all that stuff, and I'm gonna start getting more of the stuff she don't want me to put in the video. So we got all the food right here. Sausage in there. Chicken. Patties for the burgers. So I'm about to go down there and cook this. This is about to be delicious. Yeah, this is about to be delicious. I'll show y'all once I'm finished. I never did that before. I don't know why it was taking so long to do it. It burnt my hat off my arm. Yeah, that burnt all my hair off my arm. I'm glad that didn't burn me. I'm glad I caught that on camera. Yep, I gotta show them that. I don't put the burgers directly on the heat because I want them to cook slow.
not white. No. Yeah, you see that? Look, you see all that? All of them got burnt.
Yeah, that y'all seen it. That big old flame came up and went up my whole arm. Good thing it ain't catch my shirt or my arm on fire or nothing. Yeah, I probably would have got in that pool. But the food all done is right. Sure.
Ooh, that looks so good.
What'd you say?
That looks so good.
I know how to grill, don't I?
He told my mommy, did you get the square cheese? I said, you didn't say that. You could have made him a cheeseburger, had the cheese on the meat patty while it's on the grill to help make it melt, but he didn't say nothing at the stuff.
Ooh.
Why he got pillows? Go put the pillows up.
I'm trying to build my food in there.
Okay, we'll go in there.
He love building forts. I guess he get it from Fortnite. But you hold this so I can get a good thumbnail, please. Is the light showing me good?
And then I need a water
I need to come
so
right
I can just.
Good.
About the same.
Can you see the chicken and stuff good?
Yeah.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
Hey.
What you doing?
It's on right here.
I shouldn't be fixing plates.
Why?
You're ungrateful.
Who?
Mommy,
Why?
Because you act like you ain't want me to season the chicken. I was just helping you.
Mommy, that's
Stop.
my chair, and then
You tried to take over my job.
I was assisting, but I won't no more. At all.
Come here, come here. Mommy, come here, come here.
That look good.
Come here.
Y'all think that barbecue look good? That look delicious.
Delicious.
It don't look good. Mommy cooked it. Who? It look good now?
No, you ruined it.
You gave me a hug?
I'm just giving you a hug.
Okay. You not sleepy anymore?
Yay, cornbread. Nobody else eating cornbread.
Yeah. Dominique gonna eat that all by himself.
No, I want to eat cornbread. You're not going to waste my cornbread. I want cornbread, Mommy.
Okay.
Booyah, shakalaka. He's going to waste
She
it.
gonna give him a little piece.
I'm going to give you
No, I'm not.
Yeah, she is. She not now, cause I outed her.
You run your mouth.
Huh?
You run your mouth so much.
quick.
Shirt coming down.
Quick. Right, look. Quick. Bird, look. Quick.
I already know you're not gonna eat this.
Mom,
What?
should have put like a little bit.
We probably should have got corn,
Look,
cause that's what he like.
Bird, look. How much you got?
You gonna take it? You gonna? It's good.
Bird, look how much I got. You just need
He need to wait for that food. Wait for that food.
Yum.
Don't eat yet. Wait.
I'm waiting right here. I'm just waiting. So,
Oh, we got a different bread.
Wonder Bread. You want rice?
Cause this was on sale, buy one get one free, right? So she was called. You ain't get this. I just said just get it. But she know what bread I love.
I would've.
Bird, look.
I ain't gonna say nothing.
Oh, babe.
Which chicken I want?
Ooh, some chicken. Come get your cornbread. Come and get the cornbread. Try the little one first.
I thought you had that in my face. I'm like, no, that got too many burns.
Try the little one first.
She don't like the crisp on her chicken. I like the crisp on mine.
But I don't like burnt. I hate tasting like burnt charcoal stuff. I don't like the taste of that.
Oh, that smells disgusting.
What smell disgusting?
That got it on there.
That chicken.
Nuh-uh, this the tip. I'm not gonna eat that tip.
Dang, this food is gonna be good. I don't have no flour.
What you want?
Well, I'm gonna put it down. Get down. Yeah, I want this one.
Nobody. I don't have no spoon.
You all right? What they say?
I'm gonna put this down. We're about to eat, and then I'll pick y'all back up a little later. Sausage, and that's it. I'll probably get some chicken tomorrow. Chicken tomorrow.
Okay, when
Chicken tomorrow.
got this. Put my beans on it. It'd be so good. Beans on top. Let me try this one.
This food good. I put the beans on my
I thought you would say I cooked the beef.
I put the beans on my sausage with the bread, put it on top, and then bite it like that. And I do it when I put it on my burger too.
Beans in the burger. Now I'm gonna eat it.
You making a big mess. I don't even know what to do, which end eat it. Good.
All right, y'all. We just ate. We just finished that food. Mine was good.
Everything was good but the barbecue.
When I had this camera off, she was, it's good, it's good. She was saying it was good. Now she want to say, because I cut the camera on. Y'all food was good. That barbecue was good. But, all right. But if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. She about to do something crazy when I'm about to cut this off.
We could do that tomorrow.
What? All right. We gonna do another. We're gonna do like 2 or 3 videos for tomorrow, and I'm probably upload 2 of them out of the 3 that we do. But if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And always remember, you are a king. You are a queen. You are a prince, and you are a little bitty princess. Bye. Peace. See y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. And if you're not subscribed, do what I said. Subscribe.
I'll see you tomorrow. It's only a day away.